Okay, so hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you. I'm going to be doing a life update, life chat, and answering the main thing in it, why I'm wearing makeup again after I made such a big deal about not wearing it. And yeah, basically. So before we get started, please hit that subscribe button down below. I do more interesting videos than this, but I feel like this would be interesting for a lot of people that follow me for a while. Give it a big thumbs up. Let's try to get to 1k likes, and comment your favourite emoji. I'm so weird. Okay, I'm just gonna jump straight into it. Oh, my top's from Misguided, by the way. I'm loving it. It's a bodysuit. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, you know what? To make this video a little bit more interesting, I'm not gonna edit it. Oh god. Because actually that's quite handy for me because I don't have time to edit because I need to get it straight up. That's making me a little bit nervous. Okay, I probably definitely will end up editing something, but we'll see. I'll probably swear or something and have to edit it, but like overall I'm not going to edit much out. Okay, so I'm going to start off with what everyone's actually interested in because this is going to be the title. Don't listen about the other stuff at the end if you don't care. Basically, I'm getting loads of questions. Are you wearing makeup again? Why are you wearing makeup again? What makeup are you wearing? Just why are you wearing it again after you made such a big deal? And it's so annoying getting questions, but I can understand. Personally, if a YouTuber didn't wear it, then wore it again, I wouldn't care. Wouldn't be asking questions. I just would be like, okay, that's their choice. But obviously not everyone's like that. People are quite inquisitive. Is that the word? I don't know. So I can understand why people are wondering, because I must admit, I did make a massive deal about it, but that's only because it's so annoying when people keep saying, why don't you wear makeup anymore, when you just don't want to wear it. But then again, it's not as annoying when people are saying like, why are you wearing it? But still, I can understand why people are going a bit mental over it. Okay, so I used to absolutely love makeup from the age of about 8 years old until I was 13. So I was obsessed with it. I was really good at it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I was very good at eye makeup. I was so into it. I was honestly obsessed with it. I could not even explain to you. I'd get home straight away at like 3:20 and be doing makeup looks till I went to bed at like 10. And I'd be always like, if you know my Instagram, summer_till now, but it was smakeup_. And I love that account with my whole heart. It's the same account now, but I changed the name because I don't do makeup anymore. I was so good and I loved it with every single little part of my heart. I'm probably repeating things, but I'm not editing it, so we're going to have to deal with it, aren't we? That was a little bit weird. See, I'm already doing weird things. Do you know this is why I edit my videos? Because I do weird things and I'm just cringe. But actually, I never used to edit my videos, and that's why people used to... But now people... You know what? See, I'm blabbering. Stop someone. Christ, what's wrong with me? I'm going to swear in a minute. I have to cut that out because I really don't want to, and then I'll have to look through the whole video just to find the bit where I swore. Okay, yeah. So then about end of June, I started to get a little bit bored of eye makeup, which was weird because I'd loved it so much. And the last post I posted was a sunset. I remember that on I think the 23rd of June. Then I didn't post any eye makeup at all. I still did eye makeup, but like not fun looks like I used to. And I was posting more pictures of outfits and just full face pics. I wasn't posting eye makeup anymore because I was less interested in it. And then from then on, for that whole month, from the end of June to the end of July, I just was like, I don't want to wear makeup anymore. But because I'd literally made my whole YouTube fan base and whole Instagram fan base off of makeup, I thought, what am I going to do if I change it all? Everyone's going to leave me and stuff. And I kept it off for a month doing makeup that I didn't want to do. I was still doing eye makeup sometimes. And then finally, on the end of July, I made a video saying why I won't wear makeup anymore. Now, that's the one with me looking like I'm crying in the thumbnail for views. I'm sorry, but I'm probably going to do it in this video too, because we love that, don't we? But it's fine. Yeah, so that video, I said that I will still be doing makeup because I still thought, I do a little bit of foundation here and there because my skin wasn't perfect. But my skin was already starting to clear up then, and I just said I won't be doing really many I'll still do a few makeup videos. I can't remember what I said in it, go watch it if you want. That was at the end of July, so then I didn't really do any makeup videos from then on. I still wore a little bit of makeup here and there, not really. Then in August, I completely cut it out. I went to Paris on the 10th of August, straight after I turned 14. Didn't bring any makeup with me. Because my skin completely cleared up. And I was like, you know what, I'd already lost the love for like eye makeup, and now my skin cleared up. I was like, I don't really need to wear foundation. So I just got spray tans, and I didn't really, I just didn't I didn't want to wear makeup. Then I think I got back from Paris, and because I was getting so many questions, why don't you wear makeup anymore? Where's your makeup videos? Even though I already done why I don't wear makeup video, I'm still filming, yeah. I did another video, and in this video I got very agitated and was like, I'm not wearing makeup anymore. I don't think I will. However, I never said I never will wear makeup again. So people can't say you're fake because you wear makeup again. And I did not wear makeup at all throughout the whole of August, September, October, November, December. That's ages, wait, August, September, October, November, December, January. I literally didn't wear makeup for 6 months. Bloody hell. Okay, so just as January started, my skin took a turn for the worse. I don't know why. Nothing happened. I think it's down to stress. So my skin's been bad because of genetics. Because my mum had dreadful skin and her dad had dreadful skin, and it is down to genetics. And yeah, it just was so bad, and I was trying to deal with it because I was scared. I wanted to wear foundation again, but I was too scared to, because I thought, great, everyone's now going to think I'm bloody fake and all this and that, because I said I wasn't going to wear makeup, and oh god, I just was like, I made such a big deal out of it. But yeah, obviously I sold like £3,000 worth of makeup and everything, which I still don't regret. Everyone asks me if I regret that. I don't at all. I completely am glad I sold it all, because I got loads of money from it, and this is what I'm going to go into. I'm not wearing like loads of makeup. Okay, so then end of January came around. I just given up really with it all. I just put some foundation. I had eyelash extensions, so at first I was just wearing a foundation, and it was my sister's Rimmel foundation. Then I was like, oh, I'm going to order highlighter, because I always loved highlighter, and I feel like just wearing foundation is very flat, so I feel like I needed some highlighter. So originally I was wearing eyelash extensions, but we're not going to count that as makeup. Just foundation and highlighter. And I did say a video on my story going, I'm wearing makeup again, it's not much because my skin's bad or something like that. And that's when I started wearing it, end of January. And then obviously I decided I wouldn't get eyelash extensions anymore, because they covered up my eyes, and I love my eyes. That's probably the only part of me I actually like, my eye colour. And they like were too big for my eyes because I've got quite a small face. My forehead's big, but my actual face is quite small. So now I'm wearing foundation, mascara and highlighter, and that's it, and Vaseline. Oh, and I put a picture up when I was with Ellis of me with lipstick on. Everyone was like, oh my god, you're wearing lipstick again. First of all, so it falling into her lipstick. Third of all, I wasn't actually wearing that because I wanted to wear it. Basically, Ellis was hugging me, and he lifted his head up, and I had my head on his, and he lifted his head up like that and hit me in my lips, and my lip went all bleeding and that, and we were going up to a party, so I borrowed his mum's lipstick because I couldn't go out with a big weird purple red mark on my lip. But yeah, I hope that covers the makeup situation of it. Obviously I'm not going to be doing makeup videos, because I'm not going to do a makeup tutorial of me putting foundation, highlighter and mascara on. That's not a good makeup tutorial at all in any way. Obviously, I'm not saying I'm not going to make this mistake again. I'm not saying I'll never do eye makeup again or anything like that. Right now, I don't see myself doing it, but who knows? I could wake up tomorrow and think, get me a palette, but I don't think I will. That's what I'm saying. So, yeah, I'm not wearing that much makeup, so everyone said I've changed. No, I'm only wearing it because my skin looks absolutely dreadful. I am on tablets for my skin. Another update, I'm on something called limecycline or something like that. It's a 12-week course. I've done 4 weeks, so it is working quite well, I'm not gonna lie to you. So that's quite good. I'm very happy about that. The video genuinely could be a complete blabber, and I'll never know. I can't even see myself in the camera. I said that really weird. Oh god, I wish I could edit that out. I can't. What am I doing? Can you see me? Obviously you can. Yeah, that's all I really have to update you on. I said I was just going to do it about makeup, but I didn't think it would take up that. I thought it would be like a 2-minute video, but I've been talking for like 8-9 minutes, so clearly I didn't need to add on little extra bits at the end. Also, what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, lots of people keep asking me about my weight gain. I was very underweight last year, severely, dangerously. And I am still not at a healthy weight yet. I'm very, very close, thank God. But when I do get to it, I will make a video about my whole weight journey and how I gained weight and what I went through, stuff like that. So I will do one eventually. It'll probably take me like 6 more months because it took me that long to gain the same weight I need now before. So yeah, but I'm very happy about that, and I'm feeling a lot more healthier, happier, and everyone's been commenting on it. I feel very happy that everyone's noticed a change in me, like my try on hauls. I think anyone could go and notice if you go back to all my videos last June, July and August was when I was at my worst. But yeah, so you can obviously tell a massive difference in me, and I'm very happy. Also, another thing, people wanted to know why I deleted all my Instagram pictures besides like 5, and that is because I just wanted a fresh start. I feel like, and I wanted to get rid of all my pictures from when I went for it, when I was really underweight, because they made me genuinely so sad to look at, and I couldn't look at them. I didn't want other people looking through them. And I know you should like display your journey you've been through, but I couldn't look at them, and I didn't want. I mean, I love my Paris and Tenerife photos, but I just wasn't really happy. No, I was happy there, but like my anxiety was so bad, and I just don't want to look at that time again. And I just wanted a fresh start really, so people could see the new me. And the new me, I'm acting like a bloody, I don't know, there's no new me, but I just feel like I'm in a little better headspace now. 100%, like 1,000%. So yeah, I'm really happy. But yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this has updated you a little bit more. And yeah, I'm feeling very happy right now. I don't know why I grabbed there. But yeah, please like this video. Like I said, get it to 1k likes. Give it a big thumbs up. Do you know what I've just said? I've just said like it and give it a big thumbs up. You can't do both. Just like it. Give it a big thumbs up. That's the same thing. What am I talking about? Subscribe, because next milestone is 60k. We're just over halfway to 100k. Then I get a little plaque. Oh my god, imagine if I got a plaque, I could put it there. And then the mesh would go over it. I'd be so happy. Sorry, I'm getting excited now. And yeah, I love it all so much. Thank you for supporting me.